Hi everyone, some more thoughts on Rhino. It has a great plugin architecture where you find many interesting things that extend the program and augment its abilities. Grasshopper is a great algorithm editor. I'll show it in one of the next videos. And you can also get rendering plugins like V-Ray or Maxwell. I have V-Ray here installed. And there are many plugins for other things like subdivision surfaces, the Weaver bird here, etc. You can find them at the Food for Rhino site. Check them out. Many great things there. And another subject I'd like to mention briefly now is that Rhino has many import and export options. If you're coming from AutoCAD, you can get your DWGs in. They import very nicely. You can get 3ds, you can get curves from Adobe Illustrator, etc. And you can also export in many formats like OBJ, DWG, 3ds. And I think in newer versions of AutoCAD you can directly input and import the 3DM file. So check this out also. Thanks for watching. Next we're going to see a little bit of Grasshopper. Thanks. Now I'm sure if you've searched for Rhino, you've come across Grasshopper, a great plugin for Rhino. It's basically a design algorithms editor with based on a visual programming, where I get many tools from here and put them here on a canvas and connect them to create some parametric geometries. Now I wanted to show you something quick in Grasshopper. You don't have to understand it right now, but you'll see the result and you'll see why people like it. So I have reference here, curves from my Rhino viewport, and I can have a loft. You see, if I search and connect these curves with a loft, and I want to divide the surface, I do this with this component right here. So I connect the surface, you see that it divides my surface with this slider to 2 in the U direction and 2 in the V, or 5. And from these points that are created, I could, for example, put some boxes here on this surface and adjust the XYZ of the boxes right here. Just a quick definition so you can see what Grasshopper is all about. You can find many great resources on the internet. A really interesting plugin that extends Rhino greatly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Now I'd like to show you a little bit of V-Ray for Rhino. If you're familiar with the plugin for 3ds Max, it's really similar, but many control elements are integrated nicely in the Rhino environment. Here I have constructed a little studio scene with 2 spheres. Now if I haven't selected anything, I can control my camera lens from here, from the properties panel. I can give the millimeters. And I have the ability to save my views, like saving cameras. And here on the toolbar of V-Ray, I have the basic options. The material editor, which is a little different to what you're used to in Max. The options, which are really similar in all programs, in 3ds Max, in SketchUp, here. the environment, the camera options, etc., and the frame buffer right here where you can see the rendered scene. Now, apart from properties and these three elements here, we can also adjust our lights. Here I've put some lights, rectangular lights and point lights, from their properties. The light objects have light properties too, right here. So this is a small difference where you can find these options, but it works really nicely. You can learn it in no time if you understand the different V-Ray options in other programs. It's really similar. And that's it for V-Ray for Rhino. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.